Hello, hope everybody is doing okay. In this video, we'll be estimating how much does the YouTube channel Craftygirl make. To get some statistics on her channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, she has uploaded 1,321 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 193,000. And her video views to date is 37,442,309, and our channel was created back in November 13, 2011. And to get an estimate of how much she's earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator, and we'll be estimating that her CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per thousand views, and this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. In addition, if the video is over 8 minutes long, she'll be able to put more than one ad break per video, meaning even more revenue. But with at least one ad break per video and an estimated CPM of $4 and her daily view count being 29,000, she'll be earning $116 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving her with $63, and for the month she'll be earning $1,914, and for the year $22,968.